you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another wig review. So if you are interested in seeing how I installed this wig, how I glued it on, and where this wig came from, then just stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, this wig came from a company called ATOZWIGS. I did another wig review for them, and I will leave that information below. That wig was pink. This wig, as you can see, is blonde, baby. This is a 613 blonde unit. The wig was $40.99. It is a synthetic unit. It is a full lace wig. It has lace at the front and lace at the back. It came with an adjustable strap, 2 combs on the side, and 1 comb at the back. As you can see, this hair is short. I chopped it up myself. No, I am not a hairstylist. Sister was struggling trying to get the wig straight, okay? My partner was asleep, so I had to just make it do what it do by myself. And this is how it turned out. It does, on the video, look really choppy, but that doesn't bother me at all. The wig was long. Let me show you how long. Basically, I got 2 bundles. Who wants some? 2 for 1 bundle deal. Okay, this is how long the hair was. And I am going to insert a clip of how long the hair was prior to me cutting it, so you'll see. So if you want to wear your hair that long, then, you know, this is it. I want to say this is like 22 inches, but I'm not 100% sure. But it was very long, and I decided to cut it only because, one, I wanted to see, and it's shedding like crazy. I decided to cut it only, one, because I wanted to see what it looked like short, and then 2, when I was combing it, I was experiencing a lot of tangling, and I didn't really want to deal with that. As you know, when you do have synthetic wigs, the longer they are, the more you're going to need to carry around a brush. Like, that's just straight up. The shorter they are, the better, the longer they last for me. Straight wigs don't really last that much when they're synthetic. However, this synthetic wig is pretty good. Like, the quality of this synthetic wig is really good. I'm very surprised. Now, the pink wig that I did a review on also, that was some good quality hair. Just the style was just, for me, a miss. But this one came with the full lace in the front and the full lace in the back. I did not do any baby hairs at all, because I just wanted to see what it looked like on. This is my first time, y'all, with 613 hair. Like, this is the first time I've ever been this bright, ever been this bright. So I'm still kind of like, am I gonna wear it out? Like, what does it look like? Oh, another thing that I will tell you all about blonde hair, for those of you who wear makeup, I had a very difficult time putting on makeup with this, because every time I got to the sides of my face, I was getting makeup on the hair. Like, I got makeup on this side, possibly got makeup on this side, I don't know. But I don't know if you should do your makeup first, then put the wig on, or put the wig on, then do your makeup. I don't know. And then another thing that I didn't like about this wig is that you couldn't really see the parting space, so I tried to make it more noticeable, and I wasn't doing anything but coloring on the hair. So one suggestion, ATOZWIGS, would be to open up this parting space a little bit more. Now, they give you a bunch of parting space, so kudos on that. But I would say open up the part just a teensy bit more, just for our girls who like to conceal those parts to make them look a little bit more realistic. Have a little bit more room to work with. Okay, but like I said again, this is a synthetic unit. I am going to put all of the information for this wig down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if blonde is your color. Let me know if blondes have more fun. I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to find out. But if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on the latest videos and see what I got coming out, what I got going on. This is the hair. As you can see, it has a lot of body. Okay, so this wig will be blowing in the wind, so make sure you put a comb in your purse just in case. I'm just saying. But until then, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell y'all about this hair that I ran into. It glued down pretty good. I used Got2b glue spray, and I used a little bit of the Got2b glue gel as well. in a blow dryer, of course, but I'll show y'all that in the video. I do believe. I do believe I touched on everything. So if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video for more, comment down below, let me know what you think this wig looks like on me. Let me know if 613 is my color, or should I just stick to the browns and the blacks like I normally do. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.